morning guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing really well. So as you can see from the title, it's more Christmas decorating and I honestly can't wait. So I need to do the kitchen and my hallway, and I've still got a few bits that I want to add in to this room as well. If you saw my previous video, I bought a few more bits that I want to just sort of sprinkle throughout, and yeah, I'm so excited. But before we get started into today's video, I just want to thank Cherryz for collaborating with me again on today's video. If you haven't heard of Cherryz, they are an online website. I actually prefer to use the app. They sell all of the household essentials, so you can get the cleaning products, laundry products, home decor, Christmas decorations, Christmas gifts, snacks, you name it, they probably have it. So thank you so much to Cherryz for collaborating with me again. They've also been kind enough to give me a discount code for you guys. So if you use AmandaRose25 at checkout, you'll get 25% off your first order. So go ahead and download the app. It's totally free to do and you can get 25% off your first order. I had my delivery this morning and I'm so excited to unbox it with you guys and just show you the things that I picked up. I actually don't remember half of the stuff that I got, which just makes this even more exciting. The first thing I got, obviously you need to get chocolate, and I think I actually got a fair bit of chocolate, but I wanted to get a few like stocking fillers for Rob. I know that I say stocking fillers, but he's gonna have them today. But yeah, he loves Galaxy, so I thought I would pick up this. I actually got 2 of the Quality Streets, because they are going to go with my decorating today. So this delivery came just in time for my filming today, because yeah, I'm going to be using these decorators. We'll see where I put these a bit later on. So 2 Quality Streets. What other food bits have I got? Beanies at chocolate. Oh, they look so nice. The boxes melt. So they actually do some like really good well-known brands on Cherryz. It isn't like stuff you've never heard of. Right, you get Fox's biscuits. Almost forgot these, so I got the Bailey's chocolate mini delight salted caramel, and they just look so good. So it got him just some little car air fresheners. I just wanted to show you like that they do literally all sorts on Cherryz, so yeah, definitely check them out. So I got 2 of these. Got him a little mini similar shape of a Christmas cracker, which I thought was really cute. Just a Nivea for Men gift set. They do loads of gift sets, and when you go on the website or the app, it's all like laid out in separate categories, so you can just look for like exactly what you want. You don't have to scroll the whole website, like it's all laid out. So if you just want to look for gifts for him, gifts for her, it's really easy to navigate. So I really like that as well. How cute is this? So moving on to some Christmassy items. I think this was so cute. It's got the little pine cones on, the little white berries, and yeah, I loved that it was white because it goes with my neutral theme. But yeah, love this. Like I said, I don't even remember half of the stuff that I got, so it's just really exciting. Ooh. So I got this really cute little tea light, because I'm actually obsessed with wax melts at the minute. I don't know what it is, like I used to use them now and again like years ago, but lately I love having a little tea light going, some wax melts. So yeah, I thought I'd get another one for Christmas. Oh my god, this is actually so much bigger than I thought it was going to be. I'm really impressed with that. I actually thought it was going to be like a really small little tea light holder, but it's actually quite big. I think I did get 2 of these. So first just put the one in my bag, and then I remembered I always do that. I buy one and then I don't really know what to do with it, so I bought 2, and yeah, being bigger than I thought as well. Look how gorgeous they are. Really pretty. I love these, and again, yeah, love the quality. It's really like quite heavy as well, quite weighty, so that's good. I just love everything Christmas. How pretty is that? And again, it's bigger than I thought it was going to be. Like the quality of these things are so good, and I actually thought it was going to be sort of about that size. So to get it for the price is so good. But it's just this little kind of cream neutral Christmas tree, because I've already got a few, and I think this is going to be going in the kitchen with these. So yeah, definitely stick around to see where I put all of these, but that's just so cute. Final bits I picked up was just some shampoo and conditioner, because my hair is so dry at the moment. So when I saw that they had the Aussie stuff had to get it. Aussie is amazing. If you haven't tried it, definitely check it out. But yeah, I got the Miracle Moist shampoo and conditioner, and yeah, absolutely love it. Okay, so that is everything that I picked up. I just want to thank Cherryz again for collaborating with me on today's video. Don't forget to use my code AmandaRose25. I'll have it here on the screen and also down in the description below, so you can just shop till you drop. Grab yourself some Christmas goodies, because yeah, they have so much stuff. Let's just go do some cleaning and decorating and get this house nice and cozy for Christmas. So whenever I do any kind of haul or unboxing, the room actually looks like this afterwards. It's just an absolute state. I've got stuff everywhere, but I think I'm actually just going to leave this room for now and come back to it later, because I really want to start the kitchen. It's not too bad. I've still got so much stuff over here, but yeah, I want to just wipe down the sides, like clear it all off and get it ready to decorate, because it's very plain and boring at the minute, and I want to get some Christmas stuff done. So yeah, those are all the Christmas boxes that I need to go through. That's just Max's bits, and then I need to find some room in the garage for all of the autumn boxes. So hopefully in the next few days I can get this bit all tidied away and cleaned up as well, so we can decorate the windowsill, but that's just not priority right now. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the sides and get the kitchen ready to decorate.
All year long I've been keeping track of when I've been naughty and nice. And from what I can tell, I've done more good deeds than I've told lies. I can only hope that Santa Claus and my records agree. Then maybe this year Santa's coming home to me. I have found the perfect tree and dressed it to the nines. I've even made little gingerbread Santas. There's nothing left to chance.
I picked up this Christmas tree a while ago now from the range, and I just love it. It's like a Christmas tree jar, which is what I got the Quality Streets for. So I'm going to pop these in there. I am going to take all of the nut ones out because Rob's allergic to nuts, and I don't want him to have to like sift through them all. So I am going to be taking the nut ones out so you can just not have to worry about that. But look how pretty all these trees are. So this is the one that I got from Cherryz, and then I got this one last year from Home Bargain, and then this one this year from the range. And I just thought they're so like different but the same, and they work perfectly, and I thought they'd go really nicely with this one full of sweets. And that's going to be like the little setup I have. I'm just not sure exactly where it's going to go. I'm thinking in that corner there, but it might end up being more of a display here, but we'll see. I'll just fill them up with chocolate and see what it looks like. But I'm loving the wreaths on the cabinets. I actually put them on the wardrobe door last year in the bedroom, but I'm not decorating the bedroom this year, so I thought I'll try it down here, and I actually quite like it. I do need to find some different ribbon, I think, because that like jute string just isn't really working. I don't know, it doesn't look too bad, so I might leave it, but then if I see any sort of white or cream ribbon, I might pick that up and change it out. But yeah, I think that just adds a really nice little touch. So let's go ahead and sort this out.
This year, Santa's coming home to me.
Yeah, that's quite funny. I don't know why I thought 2 would fill that up, and I didn't realise that that bit was open as well, so it goes further down. I thought it'd start from here, so it'd be sort of half full, but never mind. We just got to buy some more chocolate, which I really don't mind. But yeah, when that's all full, I think it's going to look really cute. So if I move stuff out the way and see what it will look like in this corner, but I think I might want it to be a bit more of a like a statement, and I don't think you're going to really see it in this corner, but we'll see.
There's a rumor spreading all over town, but of course it's not true. They say Santa ain't coming around. Trust me, I'm waiting up for you, coming down my chimney on Christmas Day. Will be a sight.
So I think the kitchen is pretty much there. I'm loving how sort of simple it is, yet like cozy and Christmassy. So I've kept all the mugs at that side, and then all like the decorative bits this side, because this is the side that you see when you first come in, and I just love how that looks. I can't believe how dark it is already, like 2 in the afternoon. I am losing light quickly. This setup has got to be my favourite. Definitely do need to buy some more chocolates for that, but look how perfect it is. I actually swapped out, I did this the other day, but I swapped out my coffee for hot chocolate because we don't use the instant coffee, we have the coffee machine. So I thought I'd fill that with the hot chocolate so it's ready to go. So now we need to sort out this mess, and I actually thought I was going to use that whole box and that box over there in the kitchen, but I think the kitchen is how I want it, so I don't want to like clutter it up too much. So I think I'll just use that like in the hallway out there and just, you know, see what I can use and what I can just save for next year. But yeah, first thing I need to do is tidy, because Max has absolutely destroyed this room. So let's just whiz around, give it a good tidy up, and then we can carry on decorating. It's a few days later and I want to focus on the front room. I'm going to start doing the tree. You can see all of the B&M stuff behind me. I actually completely forgot that I had like the feather boas to go in the tree, because there are quite a few gappy bits. So I'll turn you around so you can see, but I think I'm just going to cut the feather boas and sort of put them in so it looks like snow. Hopefully that works out, but yeah, I thought I'd do that first because that's going to be the messiest job. So it doesn't actually look too bad on camera, but if you come close you can see like really big gaps, and I know that that's like normal for a tree, there's meant to be gaps, but I don't really like it. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and cut up some of the feather boas. And I found him, and I'm actually thinking of like putting more animals in the tree, and I might take the hedgehog out of there as well and see what it looks like with animals in the tree. I think that would look really, really cute. So we've got the big throws that I can't wait to use. Like, I've not used them like specifically so I can film with them first, and I've been dying to use them. So yeah, if I just cut this up first, you can tell it's going to make such a mess. But I'm thinking if I cut it up and just sort of put bits in, it might work. I think I definitely need more. I really like how they look, but I don't think there's enough. I don't know if I'll just be overdoing it or not, but it's definitely made a mess. But yeah, I really like how it looks, but I don't know if it looks strange because I don't have enough, you know? But it's filled in some of the gaps. And yeah, I quite like it. I do want to put a few more here. Yeah, I really like how that's looking. So now I want to see what these would look like in any of the gaps that I didn't have like the snow for. what like the feather boas for, but maybe like, I don't know, I'll just sit him in there because they're like really lightweight and I thought it'd be quite cute.
To have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget.
I'm going to go ahead and end today's video here. I really hope that you've found some Christmas inspiration in today's video. I love sharing all of the Christmassy videos with you guys, so I really hope that you enjoy watching them. Don't forget to subscribe if you do, and also turn the notification bell on so you don't miss an upload, because I've got lots more cleaning and decorating to come on this channel and I don't want you to miss it. So definitely subscribe, leave today's video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys back here in the next one.